Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at how to use Neon CRM. Are you on the lookout for a powerful, user-friendly solution to streamline donor management, improve your fundraising efforts, and accelerate your organization's mission? If so, you are in the right place. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at Neon CRM, one of the top-rated customer relationship management platforms, specifically built for nonprofits. Whether you are a part of a small grassroots initiative or a mid-sized charitable organization, Neon CRM offers a complete toolkit that helps you connect more deeply with donors, track engagement, and run more effective campaigns. To begin exploring what Neon CRM has to offer, your first step is to visit their official website at neon.com. The homepage is clean, modern, and easy to navigate, designed with nonprofit professionals in mind. Once you arrive, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you will find two key options: Login and Request a Demo. If you are an existing user, clicking Login will take you directly to your personal dashboard, where you can manage your donor database, fundraising campaigns, events, and more. However, if you are new to Neon CRM and are curious about how the platform works, the Request a Demo option is the best place to start. By selecting this, you'll be directed to a dedicated page where you can submit a brief form. This form typically asks for your name, organization, email address, and a few additional details to better understand your nonprofit needs. Once the form is completed and submitted, you'll receive immediate or scheduled access to Neon CRM's demo environment, a test version of the software that is fully functional and designed to showcase its wide range of tools and features. This demo is not just a static tour, it is an interactive experience that allows you to play through modules, build sample donor profiles, simulate fundraising campaigns, and explore automation workflows. It is a hands-on opportunity to experience the platform as your team would use it daily. The demo is a critical resource for nonprofits in the evaluation phase because it helps you assess how intuitive the platform is, how its features align with your organization goals, and whether the system feels manageable for your team's current technical capacity. It is also a great way to explore how Neon CRM handles data organization, door engagement, event registration, communication, and reporting, all before making a financial commitment. Whether you are just starting your CRM search or narrowing down your options, this step allows you to make a more confident and informed decision. Navigating the homepage reveals several key sections, including solutions, resources, customers, partners, and about Neon One. This section provides a wealth of information that will help you understand the full breadth of what Neon CRM can offer. The Solutions tab is particularly robust, showcasing features for supporter and donor management, event planning, fundraising, program oversight, and internal operations. This structured approach makes it easy for nonprofits to find and implement the tools that are most relevant to their specific goals and challenges. At its core, Neon CRM is designed for small to medium sized nonprofits, offering a centralized platform that supports donor tracking, member engagement, communication, and financial oversight. A standout feature is its guided tour, which allows users to explore its capabilities in a structured and intuitive way. This is especially helpful for nonprofit teams that may not have dedicated IT staff and seeking a CRM that is easy to learn and use. Core features and specialized solutions. The platform includes a variety of tools such as donor profile management, account histories, form and event creation, and multi-channel fundraising capabilities. With built-in automation, users can set up triggers and workflows to streamline repetitive tasks like sending donation receipts or scheduling thank you emails. It also includes robust reporting and analytics to give you insights into your donor base, campaign performance, and financial health, all in real time. The unique aspect of Neon CRM is its tailored solution for membership-based organizations, known as Neon CRM for associations. This version includes features such as membership management, dues tracking, and member-specific event coordination. It is ideal for professional associations, alumni groups, and similar organizations that rely on recurring membership engagement and retention. For nonprofits focused on arts and culture, Arts People, a specialized module with Neon CRM, offers a fully integrated ticketing and fundraising platform. This is particularly useful for museums, theaters, and performing arts organizations. Arts people supports ticket sales, subscriptions, donations, and audience management. Its intuitive tools help these institutions manage complex programming while maintaining high-quality engagement with their patrons. Another standout feature is Neon Fundraise, a peer-to-peer and crowdfunding solution that enables nonprofits to create visually appealing campaign pages, donation forms, and fundraising events. It is designed to empower both staff and supporters to raise money on your organization's behalf. You can run team-based fundraising efforts, support community-based challenges, and sync all this data seamlessly with Neon CRM to maintain a complete picture of your fundraising ecosystem. Neon Giving Days is a feature specifically built for high-urgency campaigns like Giving Tuesday or other time-limited fundraising drives. It includes tools for creating countdown timers, donor leaderboards, and real-time donation tracking. These tools not only motivate donors through visual progress indicators, but also help nonprofits coordinate their efforts and communication during high-volume giving periods. Communications, payment solutions, pricing, and final thoughts. For communication, Neon CRM Constituent Communication Manager is a powerful module for managing emails, newsletters, and automated messaging. It allows nonprofits to personalize communications based on donor behavior and profile data, resulting in higher engagement and more meaningful outreach. Whether you are sending a one-time appeal or an automated welcome series for new donors, Neon CCM makes it easy to stay in touch while saving time. To support financial transactions, NeonPay provides secure payment processing built specifically for the needs of nonprofits. It handles one-time and recurring donations, membership dues, event registration fees, and ticket purchases. The system is optimized to reduce transaction costs while ensuring data security. Because it integrates directly with Neon CRM, you gain improved financial tracking and reporting capabilities without needing third-party payment tools. Beyond technology, Neon One Services offers an additional layer of support through strategic consulting, onboarding, training, and custom implementation. These services are ideal for organizations that want to make the most of their CRM investment but need expert guidance. Whether you are migrating from another system or starting from scratch, the services team helps ensure a smooth and successful rollout. When it comes to pricing, Neon CRM offers flexible plans based on organizational needs. The Essentials plan starts at $99 per month and includes core donor management tools and 3 active workflows. The Impact plan, priced at $299 per month, includes advanced features such as QuickBooks integration, volunteer management, and up to 15 workflows. For larger or more complex organizations, the Empower plan at $499 per month offers everything in Impact, plus additional perks like live chat support and extended functionality. Additional services are available for one-time cost. For example, data import and implementation start at around $349, while customized training and strategic consulting packages are available starting at $600 for 4 hours. These options allow you to scale your usage and support based on your current capacity and growth goals. If, if you'd like to explore more before committing, Neon One provides a rich library of blogs, guides, and webinars. These resources offer valuable insights into best practices, platform updates, and nonprofit success stories. For example, you can learn how other organizations have increased donor retention through Neon CRM's automation tools or boosted event attendance using Arts People's intuitive registration interface. In conclusion, Neon CRM is a comprehensive, modern, and intuitive platform built specifically for nonprofits. It combines donor management, fundraising, events, communication, and financial tracking into a single, user-friendly system. Whether you are a small team looking to improve outreach or a growing nonprofit preparing to scale, Neon CRM offers the functionality and flexibility you need to achieve your mission with greater efficiency and impact. And that is all there is on how to use Neon CRM. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.